Hello everyone. Today we'll learn to create no-code gamification pop-up ads. Pop-ups are everywhere, but let's be honest, most of them get ignored. A basic discount pop-up? Closed in seconds. A generic sign-up form? Scrolled past without a second thought. If your pop-ups don't grab attention instantly, they fade into the background. So what actually works? Gamification. Think about it. When was the last time you saw a spin-to-win wheel or a scratch card on a website and didn't feel tempted to try your luck? These interactive pop-ups don't just catch the eye, they create an experience. They tap into something universal, the thrill of winning. A simple game sparks curiosity, triggers excitement, and makes people want to engage. And when visitors feel like they've won something special, they're far more likely to take action. The problem? These kinds of gamified experiences used to be expensive and complicated to build. You needed designers, developers, and a whole lot of time. Gamified pop-ups aren't just eye-catching, they're game changers. Brands using them have seen conversions skyrocket by 400%, while engagement rates surge by 50% compared to static pop-ups. Instead of being ignored, these pop-ups keep visitors engaged and motivated to take action. While e-commerce businesses love gamified widgets, they work across industries when the rewards are right. Gamified pop-ups turn passive visitors into active participants. They spark curiosity, drive more signups, and keep users engaged longer, reducing bounce rates and maximizing conversions. I wanted to see if gamification truly makes a difference, so I started looking for a platform that could help me create and launch an interactive pop-up on my website. While there are plenty of pop-up builders out there, very few actually offer gamification, and when they do, it's often locked behind expensive premium plans. That's when I came across Classpo, a platform that not only provides gamified pop-ups but also offers free access to advanced features without hidden costs. Also, their pricing plans are extremely affordable. And the best part is that their plans not feature restricted, which means that you get to use the same feature in free plan as the other paid plans. The only difference between plans is of number of websites and number of page views. And this is thing which caught my attention because no other company provides these types of generous plans. So let's put it to the test. In this video, I'll be adding a gamified spin-to-win pop-up ad to my website. Let's see how it works. Open Google and search for Classpo. Now go to the official website of Classpo. Now, sign up to create new account. Here, we can see that we are able to sign up using Google, Facebook, Twitter, Shopify, or we can simply sign up using our email. However, I have already signed up, so I'll simply log into my account. After signing in for first time, it will ask you to enter your website URL. I have already entered my website, so its URL is displaying down here in sidebar. Here on main page, we'll be able to see the list of our widgets, but as of now, we don't have any. In the sidebar, we have three options: widgets, leads, and A/B testing. On leads, we can see the collected data from the widgets or ads. Also, we can see the list of tools or apps with whom we can integrate the captured data. Now, let's create our first widget. Click on New Widget button. We get two options. One to create widget from scratch and second to choose it from template library. As Classpo has an extensive library of 1,000 plus pre-designed templates, including gamified ones, I'm pretty sure we'll be able to find our required template in the library. So, I'll select Template Library. Here we can see the list of templates. And to be honest, all of these are really good. On top, we have Use Cases filter, then Layout, Industry, and Seasonal options. You can filter through these to find your required template. As I want to create spin-to-win pop-up, I'll choose Gamification filter from Use Cases block. Now, we can see many gamification templates like spin-to-win, scratch-to-win, etc. You can choose any of these which you like. I'll pick this spin-to-win template as it looks good. After choosing, we redirected to Template Review page. Here, we see the preview of this template and test it on mobile and desktop screen to check its responsiveness. Right now, we're looking at the desktop version. We can also check it on mobile version to see its responsiveness. and it looks really nice on mobile version too. Here, we can see this template has 4 pages: sign up, success, error, and existing. These pages will display according to the results. Now, let's modify this template according to our requirements. So, click on Use this template button to customize it. Now, we are redirected to Template Builder. Here we can customize the templates according to our requirements. On left side, we can see the list of elements which we can add in the template. We can change the layout by inserting more columns or rows, or we can add text, image, button, or any other field from the list which we require. Also, we can edit the text of the template by just clicking on it, and we can rewrite the text as per requirement. Also, properties of the clicked element will open on right side. From here, we can change text color, font family, font weight, etc. Now if we click on spinning wheel, we get its properties. From here, we can adjust the color and fonts of the wheel. There's also a general tab here. If we open it, we can see the rewards. Right now, there are 3 rewards which give 5, 10, and 15% discounts. Also, each reward has different probability. Now, click on Edit Rewards button to modify these rewards. From here, we can edit the reward details or probability of winning. There's also an option to create new reward. So click on Add Reward button. Choose percentage type discount because other rewards are percentage based. Here we can see the probability of the rewards is adjusted automatically. However, I'll refine these values more by editing these. Once completed, click Done. Here, we can see the newly added reward on the spin wheel. With this, first page of template is complete. Next page is winning page. We can change the text style and fonts by clicking over these elements. Right now, 10% discount is showing here. However, if we double-click on this 10% text, we can see that the value is connected to the promo code label. It means if user wins 20% reward, the value will be replaced with 20%. Next page is for the users who have already played the game. And last one will be shown when there's an error. With this, our template is complete. So, save this template by clicking on Save button. Now, this page handles the triggering of the pop-up, which means when should pop-up be shown to the user. First option is rule-based triggering. In this option, pop-up is shown to user once per session and after delay of 20 seconds. We can also edit these rules by clicking on Edit button. We can adjust the display frequency according to our needs. We can adjust when to display the pop-up. We can also adjust the when pop-up should be stopped. Under here, we can also set this widget to display to specific audience like to new users, desktop users, or only to mobile users. Then we can also add specific page on which this pop-up should display, or we can exclude any page of the website on which this pop-up should not be displayed. Then we can display pop-up to the users of specific locations, or we can also exclude some locations. So, pop-up won't be displayed to the users of these locations. These rules are very good as they handle almost everything about the pop-up triggering. In most cases, I would just go with this rule-based triggering option. Next option is launcher-based. For this, you have to create the launcher first. Launcher displays the pop-up whenever it is initiated. Next option is HTML-based. In it, pop-up is bound to HTML element through CSS selector. So, whenever user clicks on that element, pop-up will display. Next option is API-based. One thing to note here that rule-based triggering won't work when API-based option is selected. So, keep that in mind while selecting this option. We can select multiple triggering options, but for now, I'll go with rule-based. So, click Next. Now, on this page, we can integrate any other service to store our data. By default, Store in Classpo is selected, which is good. But you can integrate any other service if you want by clicking over Add Integration option. Here, a drop-down list of services is shown which are supported by the Classpo. You can select any of these. Next, you can choose Zapier, which is also a very good no-code tool to share data between apps. We can also integrate widget actions with Google Analytics to track events in Google Analytics. For now, I'll select Classpo Store to save the data. Now click on Done button. With this, our pop-up widget is ready to display. But it won't show until we install the script on our website. To install the script, click on Install Script button. There are a couple of ways to install the script on your website. First way is to insert this JavaScript to every page of your website once. After inserting the JavaScript code, click on this check button to verify the integration. It'll automatically verify the integration and start displaying the pop-ups. But if you're using WordPress or Shopify, you can click on these buttons. For WordPress, install the Classpo plugin. After installing, enter this script ID into the plugin. We can also see the screenshot of it by expanding this option. After inserting and saving the script ID, click on this check button to verify the integration. Once verified, pop-ups will start displaying. Next, we can install the script through Google Tag Manager, which is really cool option. To learn the process for installing the script through it, you can click on this link and follow the instructions to get it done. You can clearly see that how easy it was to create this complex spin-to-win pop-up in just few minutes without writing a single line of code. Once your pop-up widget is integrated and start getting leads, we'll be able to see that data on Leads page. Now, I want to create a floating pop-up ad urgently. However, theme of the pop-up should match with the spin-to-win pop-up. For that, just go to Widgets page. Choose the existing widget you want to duplicate and click on 3 dots. Then click on Copy option. With this, a new widget is created instantly. From Widget Detail menu, we can manage each and every aspect of the widget. But right now, we don't want to change the design. However, we want to change this pop-up ad's layout to floating as current layout type is set to pop-up. For that, click on Edit button. Now, we're back on the Template Builder page. Here on upper right corner, we can see the layout types. Right now, there are 3 options: pop-up, floating box, and content blocking widget. We want floating box, so I'll choose that. Our ad is now converted to floating box instantly. From now on, we can the element of the template just like before. Once we are done, click on Save button to save this template. Now, we can see the updated layout type of this template. Now if we go to Widget page, we can see the 2 widgets listed here. This way, we're able to create completely new widget with same design in seconds. We've launched our Gamified pop-up, but how do we know if it's actually working? The first thing to track is traffic. If you see a spike in visits after implementing the pop-up, it's a strong sign that it's capturing attention. But engagement alone isn't enough. Next, focus on lead generation. How many visitors are submitting their emails or phone numbers? If signups are low, the offer might need an upgrade. Then there's conversion rate. Are those leads actually taking action? If people engage with the pop-up but don't follow through with a purchase or sign up, tweaking the price, messaging, or timing can make a big difference. Lastly, pay close attention to drop-off rates. If users interact but don't complete the action, something in the experience, whether the reward, the wording, or the next step, might not be compelling enough. Tracking these key metrics ensures that your gamified pop-ups aren't just fun but also effective. The good news? Classpo has a built-in A/B testing tool, so you don't need to rely on third-party services. This makes it easy to test different designs, prizes, messaging, or timing to see what drives the best engagement. Want to know if a 20% discount performs better than free shipping? Or if a spin-the-wheel pop-up outperforms a scratch card? With A/B testing, you can compare real data and optimize your pop-ups for maximum conversions. If you want to join Classpo using my referral link and apply the coupon code, you'll get a 20% discount on any plan you choose. Referral link is available in the description below. There you have it, a simple, no-code way to engage visitors and grow your email list with gamified pop-ups. With Classpo's lifetime free plan, you can run 3 widgets on one site with up to 30,000 page views per month, completely free. Need more? Upgrade to a paid plan that fits your needs. And here's the best part. Use my promo code to get 20% off on any monthly or annual plan. Don't miss out on this chance to turn more visitors into customers with interactive pop-ups. Try Classpo today and start boosting your conversions effortlessly. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.